Access. Access is a database tool that is used to store and maintain a collection of what? Information. So we have so many areas where access can be applied. But right now, we are trying to dive deeper so that we can understand all those kinds of techniques, how you can use Microsoft Office Access. When we look at Access, Access is a database tool which is used to store and maintain collection of information. So we have so many database programs which work together with the MS Access. We have like SQL, we have MySQL, we have also the Oracle programs. They are used in managing the database. So in case you want to run Access, you just click on the start button here, then you type Access. When you type Access, Access program will launch on the screen. So when you type Access, it will launch on the screen. So once it launches on the screen, you just click on it. So the first thing that you need to do is to create a database. When you want to create a database now, it will be very easier. Now, when it opens, the first thing that Access will ask you is to design a database. So designing a database, you just click blank database here. We have so many templates here, but you just click what? Blank database. Like that. So for this blank database now, we need to also do it. You need to come and specify the type of database that you want to use. If it's for student, you type student. If it's for employees, you type employees. A database. Like here, I want to type students. So I'll type here to students like this. Then I'll come and click create. So after clicking create, now the program will open again. Now I'll need to do it to have a table. For me to design a table, first I'll need to go and click home. Then I'll choose a view. When I choose view, I'll be able to click design view. Under design view here, I'll type the name of the table here. So I'll come and type here what? Maybe RCM College. RCM College, like this. After typing RCM College, I'll come and click what? OK. So when I click OK, this is the name of the company. Now it will need to pop up here now. You'll see three fields here. We have the first name, the field name, data type, and description here. So under field name, we normally have what we call the fields that you need to enter into the table. So they will be guiding the user on what to fill inside that particular given table. Then we have data types. Data types, it specifies the types of table that you want to insert. Like for example, if you type first name, you need to specify here so that you can be able to use it. And that's why I'll take you through the types of data types so that you can be able to understand. So when you click here, you just click here, then you will see different types of data types here. We have auto number, we have short text, we have long text. Short text, it only records text, but long text, it can capture text and numbers in combination. Then we have number, which is used to capture numerical values. Then we have large number, it's an extended number of the small integer here. Then we have also what we call date and time, which is to record date of a given person or a given process that has been recorded. Then we have extended date and time. This one, it can provide the time for in addition to date itself. It normally adds time. Then we have currency. Those are monetary terms figure. Anything that entails some kind of symbols like currency, it's in the currency records. Then we have auto number. Auto number, those are numbers that appear automatic. So anything that appear automatic, like 1, 2, 3, it's under auto number here. Then we have yes or no. Yes or no, they require true or false answers. Yes or no, they require true or false answers. Then we took on an object linking investment, which you call it OLE. Object linking investments, OLE, is used to connect your access to different sources. Like you can use it to connect pictures. You can use it also to connect graphs, depending with the way you want it. Then hyperlink is used to link different sources. For example, if you have email address of employees, you can record under hyperlink. Then attachment, you can use it to attach different features. For For example, you can be working in Access, but you want to attach something in Excel. You just use attachment. Calculated, sometimes we normally have values that you need to calculate. So we normally specify them under calculated. Then we have lookup wizard. Lookup wizard, you develop things from the drop-down list here. So in this case, I have to click here. For example, I want to design a table. So in case I want to design a table, I'll type student what? ID. So if you want to put space here, you normally hold shift and then underscore. In this particular given case, student ID. Then you come and specify here, it will be what? It may be the number. It may be number, but this number will assign a primary key to prevent it from duplicating. So we have first name here. First name. After typing first name, it will be short text. Then student also may have a second name. Student also may have second what? A second name. So you just type second name. That. After typing second name, you have to also specify. Here in Access, if you don't know how to specify, it becomes very difficult for you to be able to understand. So we have also course. The course, it will be also what? Short text. But also remember, when something courses are repeating themselves, we have ways in which you can customize so that those courses, they appear into the table. So you just click here. So instead of assigning short text, here you'll be typing manually. So instead of that, you just click what? Lookup wizard here. Instead of assigning short text, you just select lookup wizard. Then you click what? I will type my value that I want. Then you click next. After clicking next, you can type the courses. We have ICT. We have business management. Business management. Business management. Business management. We have also human resource. Human resource. Have also human resource. After human resource, we have also maybe supply chain management. Now we have also, apart from supply chain, maybe we may have another course like what? Catering. So these are the drop down that you'll be seeing on the list of courses. So you come and click next. You click next and say finish, like that. So you may think it's just a short text, but we have inbuilt values that we have assigned here. Then we have now date of admission. Date of admission. Date of admission, it will be what? Date and time. Then we have expiry date. When you go to university, you normally have what you call expiry date. So expiry date, it will be also date and what? Time. Then we have, apart from expiry date, we have also another thing like the age of the student. The age, we cannot assign short text. We will assign it now number here. So after that, we can also do what? Specify what? Year of study. For specifying year of study, it will be, we can just assign numbers. Then we have gender. Gender, it will be what? Male or female here. Specify male or female. So instead of using short text, you can use lookup wizard here. Then you come and click here. I will type my value that I want. Then we'll click next. After clicking next, now you have to do what? To type male or female. After typing male or female, now I have to click next. Then you click what? Finish. So once I'm here, we have something called primary key. The purpose of this key is to prevent duplication of what? Files. We normally have some scenarios where you can type two names with the different numbers, or the same name with the different numbers. So in this case here, you just click here, then you click in. If you want to remove also, you just click there. So you just click there to assign and also to remove here. So when you click inside here, you'll be able to assign the primary key. When you click outside inside again, you will remove it. But since here we have student ID, since here we have student what? ID. So you just click in, then you choose primary key here. When you choose primary key, now I'll have to click view. Then you choose what? Datasheet view in this particular given case. So when you click datasheet view, it will be able to do what? To specify, are you sure you want to save? Then you select here. Yes. Now this one will be assigned here, like in this particular given case. You'll be able to see it will have been assigned. So this is what you call a drop-down list. You see we have courses like ICT, business management, human resource, supply chain, and catering. Then we have also this. We have also this age. We have also year of study, gender. Gender already we have specified. We have specified. So you just need to select it in our case there. So in this case, I'll just give you one mouse. You will access my screen where you are so that you try to design another table. Now we want to work with employee database. And this was just a student database. But for student database, when you see the fields are not clear, you need to drag it like in Excel, the way you used to do. So you just drag it like this. Just drag it like this. And that's how you can be able to make your fields to be seen. So you can type as many names as you want, but it depends with how you want it to appear. Like this, a huge database that contains student IDs, first name of the students. We have also second name of the students. We have the course, we have date of admission. We have expiry date here, which we have it here. Then we have age, then we have year. And some fields I've already developed a drop-down. So this drop-down list, you will not be typing. What you'll do is just click there, then you pick your course, please. Assume you have entered a student 001, a student with the student ID 00, let us say 001 in this case. So let us say 100, start from 100. So this student is Ben. Bernard Kerui. Then we have the course is ICT. Date of admission, you can just pick it here. You select. Then expiry date, you can pick the year that is ahead. That's ahead like that. So expiry year, you choose the year that it will be expired. Then we have age. Age, we have 10. In this case, you have 10 year of study. Maybe we can say 2025. That particular question. Gender, now you select male, like that. With another row, you just click in again. Okay, so next it will be 101, like that. Then we choose what? Maybe Grace teach. That's what teach. Have also ICT, maybe supplies. Then we choose date. Date of admission, you just select it here. Then you click in, you choose, you just pick it here. Some example. Then you have this one age. Maybe the person is 30. You can put the age, year of study. Year of study is 2025. 2025. Then we have also to specify here, you can easily enter the age. This is very little. 10 years is not someone who's in university, so you can make it like 29, like that. For gender, you can say female. And that's how you should be able to know how to design your database and enter values. You can enter as many values as you can, because this is a database. And the database, you should be able to know how to query your database and how to prompt it to generate the queries that you want. And that's why we have such like a table in an organization. In case they want something, they don't need to struggle looking for Excel. They just query the database, and the database will be able to provide the required information. So in this particular given case, I want just to do it, to hand over you to the mouse. You try to design a database, then I'll give you one exercise. You design a database, then you create that particular given table. After that, now tomorrow you'll start with the creating queries, forms, and what? And report. Since I've seen your exam, it's on November, you still have time to correct where you have not understood. But if you just continue sitting, it may be worse. Because some people say, exam will go very far. Let me just continue sleeping. When you sleep, things may become horrible on your side. So keep on reading so that you need to understand. If you can solve a problem, it will be there on 18th, 2025, November. Is when you will know if you are with the paper or the paper is with you in this particular given case. So let us just continue. As those guys chip in, we'll have moved ahead. Tutawachia meeting now waran. So let me just end this. After ending this, now I'll have to send you a link. I hope you saw this one, it was expiring. I'll send you a link where you are going to join again. So let me just end, then I share the link with you immediately.